Okay guys, hopefully you can see me. So what I'm going to show you is how I do my stripes. I've already laid up this stripe out here, which is the outside edge of what I want done. That's 1/4 inch. Now I'm taking the 1/8 inch and I'm going to lay this up inside. Now I've already cleaned this really good with some wax and grease remover, pre-paint cleaner, whatever everybody wants to call it is fine. So now I'm just taking an outlining. Hopefully I'm not getting in the way. Outlining right to the edge of the inside of that 1/4 inch line I'm doing. This gives me a nice, perfect size tape line. You can see just starting to get the shape going. All I do is just take my time, lay the tape in here real nice. Doesn't need to be stretched real hard, pressed down real hard right now, nothing, just more than anything concentrating on getting the gap right.
I think about that it'd be
So, see a little piece of hair right there, so I'm just going to remove it.
I did tend to isolate myself for a while there. Getting close to Jessica would mean a lot to me. Since grandma's gone, we don't see that much of each other. So maybe this will help
That gives me that.
reconnect.
So now I've got 1/8 inch tape right up against the 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to press it down real good, just so it doesn't move on me. I'm actually going to peel this right away as soon as I get the other 1/4 inch again. You can see the difference in the tapes. I'll show you. Good little investment. Actually just picked it up. Used to use these years ago. Actually used to sell these years ago when I was a paint rep. And it's just an industrial pump. A couple of pumps. Gives a nice spray of whatever cleaner you're using. Adjustable nozzle for stream or spray. Just makes it so all I got to do is just give it a little spray. Come back with a nice clean dry towel. Lint free. Clean my edge real good. And now you can see it just start to evaporate. Gets all the contaminants off. Okay, so now got a 1/4 inch. And I'm going to do the same exact thing with the 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch size is of no relevance to me right now. It's truly just to get me a nice edge so that I've got a nice sharp clean line. Love the old classic clean lines from back in the day before all that crazy wild stuff. So this gives a nice clean edge. You can see I'm just tucking it right inside where that 1/8 inch is. You can see right there. Again, just taking my time. I like to wiggle the tape right into the edge, just so I can create a little bit of a gap and I can see it. And if there's too much and I'm not happy with it, just take and tuck it down again. Works out real good that way. Hang tight, guys. I gotta take this phone call.